Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make easy and unusual earrings. So guys, I need your support because without you my channel won't get to the top. Give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. Also leave your comments what do you think about these earrings. And let's start! Roll out polymer clay and cut out the form of circle. Cut circle inside. Rub pearly pigment into the surface. This is pearly pigment for nail design. Take another color. Also, I add some gold acrylic paint to the clay. Make a foam. Take sea salt and color it with gold acrylic paint. Put liquid Fimo on the surface and salt. Bake in oven. Fixing with super glue. Collect all details of earring. Well, that's all. I like to make different earrings, and I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to leave your comments, and see you soon. Bye!